What is up, world? That boy Big Hurt back once again. And we have a few little ingredients out right here today. Mostly seasonings. So what we cooking today? We finna do some good old fried catfish, Big Hurt style. And we got some yellow cornmeal. We got some seasoning. We got some Tony Chacheres season. We got some parmesan cheese and some black pepper. I'm finna get this mixture mixed up. I'm finna show y'all how to do it. Get y'all set up. And if you haven't already subscribed, take that time out right now to go ahead and do that while I get you set up. Hit that thumbs up and hit that bell if you want to be notified every single time that I post. So first we're gonna get us a Tupperware bowl like this. This is what we're gonna put our fish in and batter it in. And we're gonna go in with 2 cups of cornmeal. One. And that's 2. Got 2 cups of cornmeal. We're going with our seasoning. We just do a teaspoon of seasoning. Just like that there. Gonna do a teaspoon of this Tony Chacheres. Just like that. And a teaspoon of parmesan cheese. Y'all probably never heard of this one before. Just try it. Just like that. And then with the black pepper, if you like me, you can just go crazy with the black pepper. Well, not crazy, but you know, but it had a good pepper taste and not be hot. So there you go. Now all you do is get you a fork. You mix it up real good. Blend it around real good. So everything gets incorporated real good. And this is what we're gonna be battering our fish with before we fry it. I got some nice good old catfish fillets over there. Just waiting to hit that hot grease. And we'll be back in a few minutes to show y'all that. Now y'all see these? I got some nice catfish fillets right here. I got some more over there, but I'm going to show y'all how to do these right quick. Take you one of these nice fillets. Put them off in. Get the top. Shake it up. Shake it up so it get coated real good. Make sure your top cold so you won't waste none. Should be good. Dig it out of there. See how it's nice and coated? That's why it's good to use a Tupperware bowl. Back over there. Let's do the other one the same way. Top back on. Make sure it's cold good. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. get all the way up to temp. We're finna drop them down there high grease. They grease ready now. Alright, we back in a little bit. Alright, we got those 2 fillets in the basket. We're finna drop them in the grease. Be back in about 7 to 10 minutes. See how the golden brown they'll be. Second batch going down. Check out this first batch. Yes, sir. Oh, that look good. Yes, sir. Y'all try it out. Be back later. Voila, y'all. Big Hirsch fish fry. Y'all stop on by and get you a bite. Y'all tell me how that look. Tell me how that look, y'all. Y'all drop down in the comment section. Give me Hirsch a thumbs up if you think it look good. If you think it tastes good. Tell me how I do. I'm finna plate this up for y'all and show y'all the finished product. And there it is, big baby. I got my shrimps. Got me a few little waffle fries. Got my catfish fillet. Got me a couple of rings of onions and some lemon. Oh, it's about to go down. So y'all like, share, comment, browse the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and yeah, like the channel. And be heard on the checkout. Yeah.